Welcome everybody, it's Mary Fish with Stampin' Pretty and StampinPretty.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator and I sell the products that I'm going to share with you today from Stampin' Up! You can shop on my blog, StampinPretty.com, as well as enjoy daily tips, inspiration, and ideas, and the latest Stampin' Up! Products and promotions on my blog. So please stop by and subscribe to my daily updates so you don't miss out on a thing. Today's card shares a Valentine that I created for my daughter. I used the Stampin' Up! All My Love Designer Series paper from the 2019 Occasions catalog. I love this fresh, heartfelt design that coordinates so beautifully with the other coordinating products in the suite. And then I layered a couple of little hearts. This one I actually cropped from the Designer Series paper so that I could get an exact match. For both hearts, I used the Be Mine Framelits Dies, which has all kinds of coordinating dies. I used the smallest of the long and narrow nesting dies. And then I used this big die just to crop that one little heart. And then I popped them up on dimensionals. The background tag and all of these details and links to shop for these products will be in my YouTube description. But this cute little tag comes from the Detailed Birthday dies, and I have that's the tag die. And then I used a stitched rectangle for just a bold graphic background and a touch of stitching using our stitched rectangle dies, which have lots and lots of options. They are an absolute must-have. But probably one of my favorite things that I discovered is with the Be Mine Framelits dies. There is a long and skinny border that is plenty long to crop one of our Whisper White medium envelopes and give me this adorable scalloped edge, as well as the stitches that really beautifully mirror the stitches that I did in that background. So I'm going to show you that tip really quick. So I have everything set up for my Big Shot. I am using my magnet platform, but I also added some washi tape because this long and skinny die has a tendency to move a little bit to the next closest magnet. So I felt it was easiest. And in addition, I used a little washi to keep it in place because in true Mary Fish form, I wanted to make sure that the scallop and that little center between the two scallops lined up perfectly on each side so that I could get a nice balanced look. So that was intentional. I was so excited to find out that this die was long enough to dress up our Whisper White medium envelopes. So it's just gonna go on a quick trip through a Big Shot. That's pretty much all there is to it. If you have any questions on this card or how I created this, please leave them on YouTube. I respond to each and every one of your questions, and I absolutely love your comments and respond to those too. So I love hearing from you. See if you learned a little something new. But voila, isn't that just, those are the things that make my heart just go pitter-pat, right? So again, this is how I used it with the card. And the die, as I mentioned, goes with the Be Mine Framelits dies. So it was missing before because I had it all ready on the Big Shot. You can see just how amazing this Be Mine Framelits. I think it's a must-have as well if you want lots of hearts and cards with love messages, bridal, anniversary, you name it, as well as Valentine's for my daughter. It's a perfect little set. So please leave me a comment below with your questions as well as your comments and feedback. Stop by my blog, stampinpretty.com, and sign up for my daily blog updates. I love hearing from you, and thanks for sharing this time with my video demonstration today. Bye-bye.